Everybody has heard of Shiba Inu, but I'm about to tell you about a project that I believe is just as good, if not better. It's Eagle Inu, okay? And today I'm going to be diving into that. After this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's roll the video. Okay, so Eagle Inu, guys, it is Eagle, INU.io. That's the official links. Please only ever use the official links that are going to be down below. So let's just have a quick look about this before I dive into all the fancy stuff about the token. So they say on the website here, the eagle is a symbol of trust, wisdom, and prosperity. The market is our territory, and we are ready to lead. So at Eagle Inu, they understand the world of finance is dynamic, and their investors deserve nothing less than excellence. Their investors, hopefully, are going to be you as well as me. Now, they believe that the strength and the vision of the eagle are foundations of financial success, and their currency, which is Eagle, is the key to transformative... The fuck does that say? Transformative. The key to transformative financial journey. They soar high like eagles, seeking opportunities, acting with precision, and maximizing potential. Guys, this is not just a project that just came out yesterday that people are going, oh my God, this could be the next meme. They have an incredible ecosystem around it. Now, let's talk about their roadmap, okay? The community growth, website developer, content creation, audit, KYC, and safe view is complete. Then to phase 2, where there's 2,000 holders, 100x launch, coin market cap, and CoinGecko listings, which you can have a look at when phase 2 is complete. And the Gate.io, KuCoin, and Bybit listings with a new roadmap and big announcements coming soon. Guys, I want to talk about their token distribution for a little bit purely because you'll see how well they have built this, how well this is going to go with your portfolio if you decide to invest into this. Before I dive into that token, I just want to say to you, anything you're investing into, you have to be comfortable, okay? I'm telling you that I think Eagle Inu is a fantastic project, but I want you to be comfortable. So what you should do is be watching this video, feel comfortable with what I'm saying, and then research it yourself. If you still feel comfortable after that, 2 and 2 together, this is something you should be investing into only with money that you can afford to lose. You never should invest your life savings. Let's get straight back in. So their token distribution, okay, they have a commitment to transparency and fairness, and it is unwavering how much they do this. They're very proud to announce that 100% of their tokens will be allocated to the community, which translates to a fair and inclusive distribution split between the pre-sale liquidity. No, as they say, bullshit. So, supply is 100 billion Eagle, okay? You can see the wallet address again. Only use this one off the website. The buy and sell taxes is 5%. It's really, really simple what you do. Guys, watch this. You create a wallet, okay? So, download MetaMask. You see this little icon up here? This is MetaMask. If you haven't got it, get it already and add it as an extension. And you could choose a wallet of your choice, but MetaMask is my definite recommendation. Grab yourself some BNB, okay, and switch it to Eagle, as you can say. If you don't have BNB, just buy it directly from whatever wallet you're using. If it's MetaMask, it's super, super easy. Google it, YouTube it. Go to PancakeSwap, connect PancakeSwap.finance on the browser, and inside the MetaMask app are simple. Paste the Eagle contract address into PancakeSwap, select Eagle, and confirm. Guys, if I'm speaking too fast for you, just simply keep watching this video over and over again. Or again, YouTube, how to buy coins inside of MetaMask and PancakeSwap. Then swap the BNB for Eagle, and there you go. You have a 5 out of 5 taxes, so you don't need to worry about buying with a specific slippage. They may use slippage during times of volatility, but you're going to be absolutely fine. So right now, you can find information about the brokers and where they are listed. Gate.io from November 2023, Bybit as well, KuCoin and CMC and CG. Okay, the events coming up. We have the Web Summit in Qatar, February 28th, and Doha, and in New York, then Austin and Amsterdam. So there's a lot going on, okay? Guys, look at the partnerships that they've got going on that are already confirmed. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, KuCoin, Gate.io, DexView, BNB Chain, AvexDex, DexTools. This is not a project that's just going to disappear tomorrow, okay? They are having a whirl of a time, and they're doing it right. If I click play on this, it's actually going to show you this little trailer. Okay, I'm going to mute this video right now, but look how good this is. You've seen it on their Twitter, but they have the branding on point. Everything is coming together in this ecosystem. I think right now is the perfect time to get involved. If you want to join the pre-sale right now, simply click this button. It'll take you all the way to their pre-sale launch pad. And guess where we are? We're on PINKSALE right now. Guys, PINKSALE, if you are listed on there, you are a project to be feared, okay? If you are looking at this as another altcoin, you're thinking Eagle Inu has got something about them. They're ready to rock. Now, up at the top of PINKSALE, if you've never used this before, you can obviously see the trending up there, okay? But on the page that we're on, Eagle Inu Fair Launch, they have these buttons. You want to click these, and it'll take you to the relative It'll take you to the relative site, okay, in a different tab where it can show you every single thing about you. So the SAFU certificate is right here if you want to read into it. Again, like I said, feeling comfortable about exactly what this is. If you want to have a look at the recent audit, okay, they post this online for you. If you are getting involved into a crypto project and you can't see audits, things like that, or SAFU certificates, guys, there is a high chance that this project is not showing you full transparency. If it shows it like this, which most of them do on PINKSALE, you should give that a massive green tick. It should be a list of things you look for inside projects. So you can see their audit right there. And again, if we go back to PINKSALE, you've got the KYC, which is Know Your Customer. So you have the KYC verification. They have their project name is Eagle INU. Their website, they've got there. The KYC was issued October 31st, 2023, and people verified as one. So that's perfect. We know that they are KYC'd. So guys, do your due diligence, go through PINKSALE, okay, have a look, it tells you all about it here. But what I want to quickly do for you is have a look at their Twitter, okay, and again, all the links are going to be down below. Their Twitter has 8,170 followers, which is very, very good to say. They only joined in October this year, okay. I don't even have that much followers after 1 month. Now, all their links are on here, and they post really good tweets where they can actually show you a little bit of insight of Eagle INU. They show you exactly where to get all the information, just like I have on this YouTube channel. And they show you who they are partnered with already. So Gate.io, the partnership is there. It is a tick. You can see it. Again, they've got this cool thing going on to the moon. All right, Eagle INU is going to the moon. What I want you to do is hit that follow button, give them a huge follow, let them know you're from this channel, say, hey, this channel sent me here, super, super excited about this, and then make sure you follow all of their social medias. They should all be under here. You can see their Facebook, Telegram, and everything. So guys, if you want to get involved in this coin, guess what you have to do? That link down below, get involved with the project, but make sure you do me a favor. Rewatch this video until you're comfortable and then do your own research. Like I said, once you feel comfortable, get involved, all right? You want different projects on your portfolio. And if you want to find different projects, go through this YouTube channel because I'm going to be dropping, along with some of my colleagues, some of the best projects you can find out there. And I'm not saying this might be the best one because it'll make you the most money. I'm saying it's the best one because we only bring you trusted projects. So nothing we put on this channel is going to scare you and disappear tomorrow, okay? We do our research just like you should. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified the next time we have a video for you. Have a fun time getting involved with Eagle INU, and I'll see you next time.